Now we move on. Phylum Aschelminthus, otherwise is nematodes and also called the roundworms. Here how we arrange the body organization is tissue grade and then triploblastic and bilateral symmetry is a pseudoxylem. Already we learned no, pseudo means false. False xylem is there. And cell structure is a free living soil forms or act as a parasites. Okay, soil forms it's act as a what? Parasites. It's round and pointed at the both ends. Which one is head region and which one is anus region we can't identify. So both ends are rounded and pointed. This is the unsegmented covered by cuticle layer, that is the thin layer at unsegmented body. The body is covered by cuticle, that is the thin layer. And here the disease, most of disease is caused by roundworms only. Okay, first elephantitis. Elephantitis is caused which worm? Filarial worm. Okay, it's affected our lymph node. It's affected, its presence in lymph node only, so it's caused the elephantitis disease. And ascariasis, the ascaris worms that is present in the small intestine, it's present in small intestines, it's caused by the ascariasis disease. And pinworm early our child we will give that medicine for that 6 month only, no, the pinworm recover from the tablet is alpendazole. We take no 6 month monthly, young child will take alpendazole tablet, recover for the pinworm infection. It's present in where? Intestinal worms. It's also called the intestinal worm. It present in intestinal or colon and rectum. Colon is what? Large intestine, and rectum is the end part. And here reproduction is a sexes are separate, that is a both male and females are separated. Examples of Ascaris Next phylum Annelida. This is a segmented worms. Okay, Annelida is a segmented worm. From this phylum onwards, the body level organization is organ system. Okay, the body is organized by organ systems. The organs is well developed, and then this is a segmented body and bilateral symmetry, true coelomate, that is the eucoelomate, and triploblastics because the higher organisms, that's why triploblastic. And segmented body is called what? Metameres. The segmented body is called the metameres. Already these terms we learned: bilateral, eucoelomate, triploblastics already we learned. Next we move, it's joined by the ring-like structures called the annuli. This metamere, that is the metamere is a segmented body. These ring-like structures joined by annuli is called that annuli. Body is covered by cuticle layer, that is the thin layer, and either is a hermaphrodites or sexes are separate. Here reproduction is either hermaphrodite. Hermaphrodite means what? Both sexes are present in same organisms, that is a male and female present in same organisms. For example, earthworm. Okay, male and female present in same organisms. And sexes are separated also, either hermaphrodite or sexes are separated also. For example, here leech male reproductive organs separate, and female leech reproductive organs are separate. And setae and parapodia is presented. These are the locomotor organ. What is meant by locomotor? Locomotion is one place to another place, move. Okay, move from one place to another place. This is the locomotion. With the help of setae and parapodia, these organisms is moved to one place to another place for the purpose of what? Food. And this is the locomotor organ. Example of Nereis, earthworm, leech. Next phylum is Arthropoda. Arthro means here legs. Okay, these animals with jointed legs. Okay, this organ system is organization level organ system, the well developed organ system is there. And then this is the largest phylum in the whole animal kingdom. Okay, arthropoda is very very important. And this is also bilateral symmetry, triploblastic and coelomate, that is the true coelom. The body is divided into 8 thorax and abdomen region. It is divided into 3 parts, that is the head region and thorax region and abdomen region. Okay, imagine the prawn structure. Okay, each segmented bear paired jointed legs. Okay, paired jointed legs. Whole body is covered by chitin. Whole body is covered by chitin. Your circulatory system is hemolymph. Hemolymph nothing but is a blood. Hemo is a nothing but hemo and lymph. Two is joined, that is the blood, and doesn't have any blood vessels. Hemo means your blood, and lymph, we know that lymph vessels, lymph material, fluid materials. So this is are mingled with your circulatory system. This doesn't have any blood vessels. And just the circulatory system is a open type. Open type means throughout the body circulate the blood without blood vessels. And then respiration is the body surface is used to respire, and gills or trachea. Okay, gills presence or trachea. And ear excretion is a specialized organ is Malpighian tubules, or otherwise green glands. If you see the cockroach, in the 8 regions both antenna is present, nearby one antennule is present, no, that is called the green glands. And then the reproduction is sexes are separate. Here example of prawn, crab, cockroach, millipedes. Under comes the crustacean. The prawn is comes to the crustacean group. Crustacean, crab, prawn. And arachnids is comes to the spider, scorpion. And insects is cockroach and butterflies. And myriapods is a millipedes and centipedes. Okay. Next, phylum Mollusca. This is soft bodied animals. Here also the level of organization is organ system. And the freshwater habitat, marine and terrestrial also we can see. Sometimes terrestrial means land. And body is divided into 3 region, head and muscular foot and visceral mass. Muscular foot is helps to what? Locomotion, move from one place to another place. The whole body is covered by thin skin is called the mantle. The outer the thin skin is covered the hard shell, that is the calcareous shell. It's fully made up of calcium. And then respiration is present, the gills present, or otherwise is called the tinidia. C is the silent words, or lungs. Okay, reproductions is sexes are separated. Examples is garden snail and octopus. Next we move on. Phylum Echinodermata. Okay, the derm means what? Skin. Echino means your spiny. So the spiny skinned animals comes the Echinodermata. Okay, here also body level organization is organ system, and this is a free living marine habitat. And in the adult stage the symmetry is radial. Okay, in larvae, that is the young one stages, the symmetry is bilateral, but usually the reversible only. In adult, most of organisms in bilateral symmetry. In larval only, most of organisms radial symmetry, but here reverse, opposite. Adult here radial symmetry, and larvae, that is young one, is a bilateral symmetry. And then it is used to move tube feet, that is the locomotory organ is here tube feet. The body wall is covered with hard structure, that is the spiny hard calcareous ossicles. Okay, calcareous ossicles. This is the spiny hard calcareous ossicles.